And here is the finished part, the Model 3 dinner table. I've printed so that the tray now, the table blade from PLA. I will try and print it from wood fill because that will look a little bit more nice, but I printed it in 2 parts now. The edge around the table tray is absolutely fantastic. It prevents any cookie crumbs or salt from French fries from falling off. The Chromebook fits perfectly on the table. There's a groove and a pin design that I used to glue the 2 parts together. I have made on the bottom side 2 protrusions that fall over the fixture that's hanging underneath. Let's see. This is visible right there. And it prevents the tray from moving side to side. So that's absolutely perfect. And the whole thing works better than I thought it was. And this is my office now, or dinner table, right in the back seat of the Model 3. It's a little too thick, so the next time I will take off a millimeter in thickness. The front side is thicker, wider than the whole tray, because I don't want, during printing, to make it that it falls over. It comes sometimes when you have a very high, this is printed on the bed, this side is on the bed, and it is it's like 28 millimeters high. It's printed on the Ultimaker 3 extended, so it can print quite high. To prevent it from falling over during the printing when it's almost at the top, you need to have this area quite wide. This is about 20 millimeters. I will take off a little bit each time and see how far I can get, how thin I can get it. Then it feels a little lighter, it's easier to handle or store in the car. The brim edges are, of course, very annoying, very sharp, and always difficult to remove, but in this case I really need a brim. I don't want it to fall over. The grooves are absolutely fantastic, make it look stunning, like a proper table tray. You need it, otherwise you will get a flat surface like this. It will look very ugly. I've tried it multiple times with some boxes that I print, and grooves running along the length really make it look like a proper sort of a wood board. It works perfectly fine, and I will try to print one from wood fill. So you definitely need an edge. You definitely need to glue it. You need a pin and a groove. And try and get it as small as possible. And you definitely need some protrusions on the bottom side to make it, prevent it from moving back and forth or sideways. Always make some protrusions on your parts, even if you have don't know what to do with them, because then the connecting part you may design later can use these protrusions or any holes. If it's possible, always make holes in your design. Maybe you don't use them right away, but any attached fixtures that you will design later might use these grooves, come in handy. The holes to use as some kind of fixture point or to attach something. Well, this was Print the World. Feel free to copy and improve if you can.